Hey guys! What's up? In this video I will give you Lenovo ZUI Recorder app. If you wanted to use Lenovo ZUI app then comment me, then I will also upload Lenovo app for your phone. Lenovo ZUI Recorder is only 1.5 megabytes. I give this app download link in my description box. After download you can easily install this app. Because this app ported version, so you can easily install this app in any Android phone. This app was ported for ZUI 11 Recorder. Lenovo announces ZUI 11.1 update. New ZUI 11.1 version for the flagship Lenovo Z6 Pro. The ZUI 11.1 was first announced earlier this month, but that was only available for developers. This version seems to be a stable ROM. The new version is the ZUI 11.1.036 and ushers in a number of new features, the most spectacular being the U-Touch gesture navigation. The full update log includes the following: redesign new health app, new themes, support the 3-finger screenshot, U-Touch gesture navigation, swipe left to switch apps, swipe up to go back home, swipe up and hold to open multitasking menu, swipe left from the middle to go back. HD Bluetooth audio support. Battery percentage now inside battery icon will save space. New display settings for devices with HDR10 support. New cloud service with support for backing up phone settings, notes, alarms, and contacts. The update also brings system optimization such as camera stability and performance optimization. The camera focus performance during the video shoot in low light conditions also saw some improvements. The shooting quality of the camera in some scenes is also optimized. It also optimizes system. Lenovo advises that updaters should ensure their phone does have sufficient battery power and storage space. Lenovo UI is custom Android skin, so all the apps are redesigned from stock Android. This ZUI also similar to MIUI ROM. ZUI all app optimized, so the preference of app is good. If wanted use this ZUI Recorder, I give this ported app download link in my description box. From there you can download this app. Thanks for watching this video. If this helps you then like this video, and if you want this type of video then subscribe to my channel.